When a serious problem hits your operation, a major defect, a safety incident, a recurring process failure, you can't just jump to a quick fix. You need a resolution that is systematic, team-oriented, and guaranteed to prevent recurrence. Otherwise, you're just wasting time. Today, we are diving into the global gold standard for complex problem resolution, the 8 disciplines problem-solving method. We will use this free interactive online tool to show you how to lead a team through the full process, from defining the problem to implementing systemic change and instantly generating the official professional 8D report required by major clients. Around the world, the 8D method was formalized by the Ford Motor Company in the 1980s. Ford recognized that recurring quality problems were often due to a lack of structure in the investigation and a failure to implement lasting preventive measures. They developed the 8D process as a mandatory reporting requirement for their suppliers. It ensures that every critical non-conformance is addressed not with guesswork but with a disciplined, evidence-based approach. While it originated in automotive, the 8D framework is now a cornerstone of quality management in aerospace, healthcare, and electronics globally. The 8D method is a discipline-based approach. It requires you to complete 8 specific steps in order to solve a problem and prevent it from ever coming back. It's about more than just a corrective action, it's about systemic change. The core of the process involves defining the problem, D2, using data, not assumptions. Finding the root cause, D4, using tools like the 5 Whys or Ishikawa. Implementing a permanent fix, D5. The corrective action preventing recurrence, D7. The critical step that ensures the system itself is fixed, not just the part. The 8D report itself is the final documented proof that your organization has followed these disciplines and resolved the issue responsibly and thoroughly. This online tool acts as your guided project manager for the 8D process. It's organized into sequential tabs that map directly to the 8 disciplines, ensuring no steps are missed. First is D0, Plan and Prepare, where you assess urgency, collect initial data, and set objectives. D1, Team Formation. You begin by listing the team members and their roles, the foundation of the process. D2, Problem Description. The tool guides you to define the problem clearly, typically using the 5W2H method. What is the defect? Where did it happen? When did it start? D3, Interim Containment. You document the immediate temporary fixes put in place to isolate the customer from the problem. D4, Root Cause Analysis. Here you document the results of your investigation proving the true root cause with evidence. D5 and D6, Permanent Corrective Actions and Verification. You define the permanent fix, assign responsibility, set deadlines, and later document the results that prove the action was effective. D7, Preventive Actions. This is where you document systemic actions, updates to procedures, FMEAs, or control plans to stop the root cause from happening in any similar process in the future. Finally, the tool compiles all of your inputs from D1 through D7 into a cohesive professional 8D report that you can instantly export to Excel for formal submission or internal documentation. The 8D process is not just a form you fill out, it's a culture of quality. By mastering these 8 disciplines, you gain a repeatable method for turning every crisis into an opportunity for true systemic improvement. The link to this free 8D problem-solving tool is in the description below. Start firefighting and start leading structured problem resolution today. What is the toughest D in the 8D process for your team? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quality engineering tools.